The rear baffle guides the grass clippings within the mower's cutting deck. The plastic baffle can wear over time, cracking or developing holes. Wear can occur faster if you mow in very dusty conditions or in areas with lots of debris, such as gravel. Replacing the rear baffle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear wheels. As I remove the wheel, I'll be careful to not lose the washers. Now I'll fold the handle forward. Next I'll remove the wheel adjuster and the bolt that secures the handle to the deck. I'll push the hub out through the housing, and I'll keep all these parts together so I don't lose anything. And now the bolt. I'll use a wrench on the inside of the deck to hold the nut. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And now I can remove the baffle. With the baffle removed, now I can remove the trailing shield. And now I can install the new baffle. I'll reinstall the trailing shield. And now I can install the new baffle back into the mower housing. I'll align the baffle with the housing. And now realign the handle with the deck as well. I'll align the handle bracket with the deck and insert the bolt just through the deck. And now I'll bring the baffle up to the bolt and insert the bolt through it as well. And I'll do the same thing with the bolt on the other side. Now I need to reinstall the shoulder washer and the nut. There's very limited space inside the baffle to do this. What I found is helpful is to hold the nut with a magnet. And then I'll also stick the shoulder washer to the nut. And now I can insert this entire assembly up into the baffle and screw the bolt onto it. Once the nut is installed on the bolt, I'll use a wrench to tighten it up. I won't tighten it completely at this point. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Now I'll reinstall the wheel adjuster. I'll start by inserting the hub. The nut sits in a recess inside the hub. I'll tighten the bolt. And now I can tighten up the first bolt we installed. And again, I'll install the adjuster on the other side. And now I can reinstall the wheels. I'll place the washer over the axle and secure it to the bracket. And I'll finish by repositioning the handle. And that's how easy it is to install a new rear baffle on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.